Thank you and welcome back to Black Note Music Center. And today we are going to be doing The King Upon the Throne by OBISHINE and LoveworldSingers in the key of G. So let's run our major scale on G. G is our 1, A is our 2, B is our 3, C is our 4, D is our 5, E is our 6, F sharp or G flat is our 7, then 8, back to G. So the intro. So on the right, on the left. So this one stay the same. On the left, 3, 4, then let's jump it together. See? Left. Then the body of the song, 1/3, then 6. You can play like this. Then 4. 1. Then 3 on the left, 3 on the right, 3, 5, 7. Then 5. Then 4. Yeah, the left stays on 4 while the right moves to 5. Okay. Then okay, let's say 4, 5, then then your 2 major. Well, after playing this one, then you hear something. This chord. After, let's say, you see, it's called on the left, A and F. On the right, we have B, C sharp, E, G. Okay. Then this one, after this one, we went to the 5 sus 4. That's G sus 4. right? You have D, G, A. Then you release it. Okay. Let me play everything together. I'll play slowly from intro. Three, 6, then 4, 1. That's part A. Then 3, 5, then 4, then 5/4, then do tila, then your major 2. If you listen very well, you hear this chord. Then release it. Then the cross part, the B part. Then okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left I have E, on the right I have G, C, E, and I'm just doubling here. If you like, you can just play this. Okay. It's still the same thing. This is the second part. Then you play that chord. You see? Okay. Then interlude. Okay. This chord, these 3. Take this 3 because we need this one. This one, and this one, they use it hand in hand. This one and this one. Okay. The first one is your 3. Not every time, but if you listen very well, you'll be hear some. When you hear anything on 3, is this one. On the left, 3. On the right, we have our 2, 5. Flat 6, 1, A, D, E flat or D sharp, G, then this one. Okay. This A7 sharp 9. A7 sharp 9. Sorry, not sharp 9. A7 9. This is our A7. This is our 9 on A. This is a 1 on A. 2 is in a 2. Our 2 is also 9 when you get here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see that 9? we put it is 2, but we put it here. That's why we call it 9. A, this is our normal A. This is A major 7. A 7th or dominant 7. So when you now add this one, it becomes A9. You see, I'm playing A in A. A9 flat sharp 5. A9 sharp 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5. Sharp 5 here. Okay. Okay. From okay. Okay. The interlude. So the C part, that one is very simple. So the great God, 5, 6, 4, okay, 4. So we are playing 6 times. So sometimes you hear something like this. Okay. Then the last part. Right? So that one we are playing it, what do you call it? We are playing three times. Okay, the first one. Okay, 6. Again. Second one, then third one. Let me repeat the whole thing. So that one is very straightforward. So I believe we covered everything. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys. And don't forget, please always make sure you comment, say something. If the video is helpful, let me know. Okay? And you can always suggest if you see anything or you know something that can improve the video or the way we do it. You can suggest. You are welcome. And our online free piano every Monday 7 p.m. South African time continues every Monday. Okay, thank you, and I appreciate you guys.